Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best waterlight speakers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the GeekFun USB 7 color LED water speaker. This product brings a combination of audio and visual entertainment with its dancing fountain light show, synchronized to music. The 7-color LED lights add a vibrant touch, making it visually appealing during playback. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including computers, MP3 players, laptops, and smartphones, thanks to its 3.5mm audio output connection. In terms of design, the GeekFun speaker features a sleek and modern tabletop mount. However, it's not waterproof, so it's strictly for indoor use. While the audio quality isn't groundbreaking, the 6-watt stereo output does a decent job for casual listening. The compact design makes it easy to carry around or store, but the lack of Bluetooth connectivity means you'll need to rely on wired connections. Unfortunately, it falls short in customer satisfaction. With a 2.6-star rating on Amazon, users have reported durability issues and inconsistent performance, so it may not be the best choice for long-term use. If you're looking for a stylish speaker with a fun light show and don't mind the wired setup, this could be an option. Just be aware of its limitations. At rank number 4 is the ColorLife Cool electric jellyfish lamp with Bluetooth speaker. This isn't just a speaker. It's a multifunctional device that combines a jellyfish lava lamp, Bluetooth speaker, white noise machine, and nightlight. The mesmerizing faux jellyfish swimming in the lamp create a calming sensory ambiance perfect for relaxation or as a unique decorative piece in your room. Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity ensures stable and quick pairing with most devices, while the 5-watt speaker delivers decent sound quality with clear highs and adequate bass. The lamp also features 3 water flow speeds to adjust the motion of the jellyfish, allowing users to personalize their environment. The design is modern and compact, but keep in mind that this product is not waterproof, so it's strictly for indoor usage. While its multifunctionality makes it a great gift for kids and adults, the ColorLife lamp isn't ideal for users seeking high-fidelity audio performance. Its primary value lies in its visual appeal and calming sensory experience. With a 1-year warranty, it's a safe purchase for a unique and versatile speaker lamp combo. Coming in at rank number 3, the BlueFree floating pool speaker offers a blend of functionality and fun for outdoor water adventures. With an IP68 waterproof rating, this speaker can safely float on water and even survive submersion up to 3 feet for 30 minutes. It's perfect for pools, hot tubs, and spas, making it a great addition to your summer activities. The 7-color light show with multiple flashing modes adds a festive touch to any gathering. Performance-wise, the 10-watt output delivers clear vocals and decent bass, with 360-degree surround sound for immersive listening. Bluetooth connectivity is seamless, with a range of up to 15 meters, and the built-in microphone allows for hands-free calling. Its 8-hour battery life ensures plenty of playtime on a single charge. However, the speaker's charging time is notably long at 8 hours, which might be a drawback for some users. Additionally, while the sound quality is good, it's not exceptional for audiophiles. Overall, this speaker is ideal for outdoor water use and parties, with a focus on durability and visual appeal. Our runner-up at number 2 is the THRLX water dancing speaker, which combines high-fidelity audio with a captivating water fountain synced to your music. With Bluetooth 5.3 and TWS pairing, this speaker connects effortlessly to your devices, while offering the ability to synchronize 2 units for true stereo sound. Its bass diaphragm enhances low-end frequencies, delivering powerful bass and crisp treble. The build quality is impressive, with a combination of clear acrylic and ABS materials that give it a sleek, modern look. The water dancing feature is both relaxing and entertaining, making it a great choice for parties or as a gift. The 600 mAh battery offers up to 4 hours of playback and can even operate while charging. However, it's not waterproof and lacks extended battery life compared to other models. While it's priced at the higher end of this list, the audio-visual experience and elegant design make it worth considering for indoor use or special occasions. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Ebota Bluetooth shower speaker. This budget-friendly option offers incredible value with its IP67 waterproof rating, making it resistant to water, dust, and sand. It even floats on water, making it perfect for kayaking, beach trips, and showers. With a 2000 mAh battery, it delivers up to 8 hours of playtime and supports true wireless stereo, allowing you to pair 2 speakers for a true stereo experience. The compact design is both rugged and portable, featuring a built-in carabiner for easy attachment to backpacks or bikes. The 5-watt speaker provides distortion-free sound at maximum volume, and the 5 LED light patterns add a fun, customizable element to your listening experience. Bluetooth 5.0 ensures stable connections with a range of up to 33 feet. While it doesn't deliver audiophile-grade sound, the Ebota speaker excels in durability, portability, and versatility, all at a price that's hard to beat. Whether you're outdoors or indoors, this speaker is a fantastic choice for casual use and makes for an excellent gift. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.